guys, welcome everyone. Fifth quarterfinal is here. I will not waste time and I'll quickly call the four contestants. Hi, Naveen.
Hello, old friend.
Second is Rahul Surmanian.
Hey guys, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you guys.
Well.
Giving 1 point directly to Rahul for wearing a Liverpool t-shirt and a t-shirt that I gifted him. So
that's not fair. We haven't even started.
third contestant on our quarterfinal 5 is Surbi Bagga. Welcome everyone.
Whoa! Yay! What? Where did that background come from? Okay, let me just.
Okay, Surbi Bagga straight from San Francisco. Wow. Next up, and our last contestant, Vishal Daima, is our fourth contestant.
Ooh.
Welcome everyone. Hi, Vishal. Okay, this is the fifth quarterfinal of the day. First question to Naveen. Through which Indian state do the rivers Mandvi, Zuari, and Chapora flow? Okay.
None. None of these are Indian rivers. I go with none. Option F. Fake.
I'm giving 0.5 to Naveen for questioning the name. So, Mandvi is a famous river. Zuari is a famous. Chapora again is a famous river / something that's also there in the state. Which Indian state are we talking about?
I'm going to say Meghalaya.
Not Meghalaya. Passes to Rahul.
Wow. First of all, I think the state through which these rivers flow is the liquid state.
I was waiting for someone to say liquid. So,
Yeah.
1 point again to Rahul for.
I have no idea, but I'm going to take a wild guess. I mean, I'm going to take a guess. There's nothing wild about it. And I'm going to go with Madhya Pradesh.
No, passes to Surbi.
Oh, my guess was supposed to be Madhya Pradesh. I thought it's like okay. If it's on Madhya Pradesh, Mandvi, Zuari, and Chapora.
Yeah.
Okay, Arunachal Pradesh.
Not Arunachal. Passes
To Vishal, who fucking knows the answer.
It's Goa.
It is Goa. Of course, Mandvi River flows in Goa. There is
Good one, Vishal.
Pura Fort
Nice.
is in Goa, and Zuari Chemicals is. There are too many Goan references
Yeah,
there.
well, the thing is, when we go to Goa, we do other things. Vishal, we have life.
Nobody takes bath in
We
the
don't
river
count.
in Goa, dude.
Twice.
I'm giving 1 point each again to Rahul and Naveen for their for what they do.
Freshwater
Roasting.
crocodile are you, dude?
Especially love when Naveen said nobody goes and takes bath in Goa in river. Okay, Naveen, this is going to be your direct because Vishal got 10 points with Goa. The name of which blood vessel in the human body originates from the Greek word for windpipe? Okay. The name of which blood
Wow.
vessel?
You need to know biology and Greek for this one. Great.
There are
Greek of
Giving
windpipe. Okay.
0.5 to Naveen for
Aorta.
no passes to Rahul. Name of which?
Is it the esophagus?
Not esophagus. Passes.
It's no blood
man.
vessel for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's also called the wind. I don't know.
That's
The name
true,
of
that's
which
true.
blood vessel in the human body originates from the Greek word for windpipe? If it's not
Olympics.
esophagus.
Olympics is a Greek word.
I'm giving 1 point to Naveen for constantly being after the Greek. If not geek, be a Greek.
So there are no options or hints for this one?
No. We'll do one round without any hint.
You can look inside your body.
Oh, okay, that's a good hint.
1
I'm
point
gonna-
Rahul for cheating jokes. Okay.
I don't know. Pass?
Okay. Passing to Vishal now.
is it arteries?
It is arteries.
Oh,
Arteries.
shit.
That-
It's the most
Vishal.
obvious blood vessel.
Why
man.
is he?
I guessed it from wind
No.
का air कुछ होगा.
Yeah. And
Oh.
what-
Oh, Vishal is a strong
However-
player. Nice.
however you
Vishal is
get it.
strong.
Yeah,
Shit.
right.
He's the only
Yes,
one
we-
wearing specs, Surbi.
Oh, yeah. Maybe if I wear them like this, I'll be smarter.
Yeah.
Let's go
So
for it.
Vishal with a good head start is already on 20, which means Vishal
Very
got it, which means direct question to Naveen Richard once more. What is the Japanese word for teacher? Okay.
You know, why can't you ask me the Japanese word for the woman who's, I know geisha. Okay, so teacher.
Japanese word
Oh, wait.
teacher. Yeah, that-
Sensei. Sensei.
Sensei. Yeah, this is a pop culture question in some sense.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sensei it is. Anyone who is a Karate Kid fan would know.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Sensei. Naveen gets 10 points. Sensei is the Japanese word for teacher.
Sweet.
I thought it is teacher.
Wax on, wax off.
Giving 1 point to Rahul for his impression of a Japanese. Okay. Rahul actually went to Japan, so maybe he knows better. Next, direct
I
to-
know what they say in Japan when they're about to eat something. Can I
What?
say that?
Yeah.
Suzuki
Itadakimasu.
Hayabusa.
We have to say
Suzuki Hayabusa.
itadakimasu.
Will be for
What?
her wide range of Japanese vocabulary. Going
Thank
to
you.
Rahul now. Okay. Rahul, your direct question. Who replaced Pete Best to become a part of the Beatles in 1962? Okay. So
This
19,
music nonsense.
Pete Best was replaced by someone. And that's
Eat better.
okay. I'm giving
Nice.
1 point to Rahul.
Okay, I have no idea about this.
Oh no.
There are only.
And
Rahul says Stevie Wonder. Rahul is Stevie Wonder.
I have no idea about music, so I'm going to just say Elton John. Whoever that is.
then- At least you got the country right. So Surbi, your turn.
Oh man. Same question.
Yeah.
Rahul, Surbi, it's
Who
Led
replaced-
Zeppelin. Say Led
Okay. No, I know it's not Led Zeppelin. Wait. Pete.
I think Naveen knows the answer.
Is it this guy? Ringo.
It is Ringo Starr, of course. Ringo Starr.
Oh my god.
10 points to Surbi. Ringo Starr
Okay.
joined Beatles
Thank you, thank you,
later
thank you.
compared to Lennon, McCartney, and Harrison. And Ringo Starr,
okay.
Pete Best was the drummer, and Ringo Starr came in and became a Beatles forever. Surbi gets 10 points for Ringo Starr, which means the next direct question will be for Vishal. Which historical city in central India derives its name from the prevalence of date palm trees in the area? Okay, so this is an etymology question plus historical question. So there's a famous city in central India. The reason the city is called so is because of prevalence of date palm trees in that area. What city are we talking about?
So it's an etymology question.
Yeah. Etymology plus like geography, history also, but mainly the hint is how the city got its name. And
Central India.
got its name from because date palm trees were very prevalent. They're still prevalent in and around that city.
How much time is there for each question? There's no such thing.
Wait a second.
No, I'm asking genuinely. Sorry.
Maybe I will decide. I'll see and then I'll pass.
Fuck.
Time is also there for you guys to say something if you want to say, but that's fine.
Bhopal.
Hajur. No? Is that?
If
I will go with Nagpur.
Not Nagpur. Passes to Naveen Richard.
Lion Date Nagar. Lions Date Nagar.
I'm giving one point to Naveen for at least.
oh, he was being genuine. He was not trying to be funny there.
Nagar is in Bangalore.
Goes to Rahul now. Rahul Subramanian.
Is it Khajuraho?
It is Khajuraho. I was very scared when Surbi said Khajur. I would have given a negative point. Vishal said
Oh my god.
this is because date palm are known as
Khajuraho.
khajur, and there are a lot of khajur trees, and that's how Khajuraho gets its name.
That's true.
Is it Khajuraho famous for something else also?
Yeah,
Macha, first of all, Kaju means pistachio. I know that much.
That's Kaju. This is Khajur.
Kaju does not mean pistachio.
Leaning
Okay,
down
whatever,
of pistachio.
Okay, Khajuraho. Rahul gets 10 points, which means the next direct question is for Surbi.
Okay.
Built in 1703 by John Sheffield, which regal residence was purchased by King George III in 1761?
Macha, at least
Oh
you tell
my
one
god.
city. At least one city name you should put there.
Yeah, this is such. They're like
Built in 1703
1703.
by John Sheffield, which
This is
regal?
a famous building.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
a famous, like,
Very-
it's like a tourist spot.
very, very famous.
In India,
Okay. No, not in India. No.
No, that I haven't specified. Which regal residence was purchased by King George III?
King George III in. Okay. I think
Bro.
it's the Parliament. Oh. Is it the Parliament?
The Parliament? No, passes to Vishal.
Bangalore Palace. Bangalore Palace.
Buckingham Palace.
It is Buckingham
No.
Palace. Regal.
Knew it.
He was Duke
Uh,
of Buckingham.
Yeah, I
Famous
thought so.
regal residence we know is the Buckingham Palace.
Oh, are you sure it is not Lodha Emporia?
There's gonna be a Lodha reference in every quiz, I think. Sapan got like 1-2 points because he said some Lodha joke in the last quiz. But I'm giving because this quiz I am literally sitting inside a Lodha building, so 0.5 to Rahul. Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Vishal gets 10 points for Buckingham Palace, and next direct to Naveen. Which annual sporting event was first promoted by the French magazine La Auto, brought out by the journalist Henri Desgrange? So
Formula
basically-
One.
Formula One? No, passes to Rahul.
Is it French Open?
Not the French Open. Surbi?
Which annual sporting event was first one of the French magazine that got over by the journalist Henry Desgrange? Lacrosse? I don't know. Just
Not lacrosse.
What do you mean?
Vishal?
It's that 24-hour
I know it.
वो वाला जो racing है.
I
That
wanted to say that one.
Wow.
Can it come back to me, please?
I don't know the
24-hour wala racing is a great answer.
Can
No,
it
no.
can it come back to me, dude? Kumar
No,
over?
Naveen, wait. We're still waiting for
Can it
Vishal.
come back to me? I'm such an idiot. How could I not?
It's still Vishal's guess. Vishal, do you have a guess?
wait.
Macha Naveen pass pannada.
I know.
No, I'll pass.
Okay, I will
Oh.
take one more round. This will be a 5-mark question now. I will give extra hint. This annual sporting
Yes.
event is actually a very France-specific event. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
it is so like Formula One is still like every
Le Mans. Le Mans.
what?
It's a Le Mans. LEMANS.
No, passes
No.
to Rahul.
Le Mans.
Tour de France?
It is the Tour de France.
Good one. Nice.
Points to Rahul. It is
Man,
the-
I was going for all car stuff.
Yeah, no. That's what it's not. It's a bicycle thing. I know the auto might have confused you, but it is the Tour de France. Rahul gets full 10 points. Next
Hey,
question.
5, dude.
Cool.
Sorry, 5 points. 5 points.
Sorry,
Five.
Rahul.
Thank
Sorry,
you.
Rahul. I can't let you get away with that.
Thank you. Thank you for Thank you.
Hey, is it? Do I get 1 point for like honesty or trying to help the quizmaster out? Kissing ass points? No. Okay.
No,
Yeah, I'll give you 0.5 for being very explicit about your intentions. I will
Okay.
give you.
Thank you.
Next
Can I
direct-
get 5 points for being nice and
5
for taking
points.
a shower? Just, I need 5 points.
मेरे को भी दे दे भाई कुछ.
Next direct to Surbi. Okay, which branch of mathematics deals with systems that are inherently unstable and unpredictable? Okay. So you
Okay.
focus on the last part, according to me, like that will give you the clue.
Yes. Is it the probability?
Not probability,
probability
but
maths.
Vishal.
Okay, wait, don't go. Wait,
No.
wait, what? Oh shit, it's gone.
Vishal, think about systems that are inherently unstable and unpredictable.
Girlfriends.
Wow. 1 point to Naveen. 1 point to Naveen.
Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. All right.
Stable and unpredictable.
Yeah. Us, passes to Naveen.
Theory.
Huh? What theory?
Stability.
No, not stability theory. Naveen?
I was thinking of the joke. I just wait. Hold on. Systems that are inherently systems. Let's break each sentence down. Which branch? Let's stop there. Branch. A branch grows out of a tree. Okay, moving on. Mathematics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, man.
It's getting too much time.
Pass.
Yeah. Passes to Rahul.
I want one more time.
Probability नहीं है.
Rahul.
Is it statistics?
No, it's not statistics. I will take one more round. We'll start with Surbi. This will be a 5-mark question now. So Vishal's guess was right. It's some sort of a theory. But
Okay.
like, think of English now. Forget maths for like 5 seconds, and think of what is the word that you use for something that's unstable, unpredictable, and all that, and then just add theory after that, and that will be your answer.
Okay, 1 second. Unstable.
Yeah, I know this.
Vishal, just mouth it to me.
Yeah, I will.
Just don't.
After I give the answer.
1 second. Okay, unstable here. I don't know. Pass. Vishal, go for it.
Pass,
Chaos
Vishal.
theory. Chaos theory.
It is chaos theory. Chaos
Oh,
theory.
nice.
Math that the
That wasn't math. हमें तो नहीं पढ़ाया ये math में.
I'll give 0.5 to Surbi for a comment on our
Which is education
यार
system.
तुम गाजियाबाद से हो, तुमको तो ये नेचुरली पता होना चाहिए.
Oh, wow.
Chaos theory actually, yeah.
Okay. Vishal gets 5 points.
तुम्हारा नहीं ignore it, my God.
Good one.
We are halfway through the quiz, so we'll reverse now,
Hmm.
which means now the order will be Vishal,
Vishal.
Surbi, Rahul, Naveen.
Hey, we started with reverse and now you are reversing. Get it?
Wow. Okay. So since Vishal got it, the next direct will be for Surbi. Okay. This is a history question, but very, very workable question. Which statesman coined the term Axis for the German-Italian alliance in a speech at Milan in 1936? So look at all the hints. It's a statesman. Okay. He coined the term Axis, so he must be an important person for German-Italian alliance. Okay, which eventually became the entire
Understood.
their group.
उसके बाद मेरा बारी है.
नहीं,
नहीं.
पूर्वी के बाद राहुल, फिर नवीन, फिर तू. In a
Which
speech at
statesman?
Milan, that's another hint. In 1936, that's another hint. So every few words will help you narrow down who can it be. And yeah, very
Which
famous
statesman?
figure from
Very famous person.
Very
Hmm.
famous. Which statesman coined the term Axis for the German-Italian alliance in a speech at Milan in 1936?
Is his name Axis or someone?
No,
'Cause
no.
if he- okay. I'm gonna pass. I don't know.
Okay, passes to Rahul.
Is it Mussolini?
Beautiful answer. Of course, it's Mussolini. Mussolini and Hitler were the big figures, and since I said Milan and all, it has to be Mussolini.
Country.
Rahul. Next, direct to Naveen. Okay. The autobiography of which prominent Indian is subtitled "My Music, My Life" and has an introduction by Yehudi Menuhin. So look at all the hints. It is a prominent Indian, like prominent enough to have an autobiography and being asked a question here. The book is called My Music, My Life. So you know the area
Yeah.
where you
Yeah.
and has an introduction by Yehudi Menuhin, who's the legendary.
Looks like a sports person for sure.
I don't know. Zakir Hussain.
Not Zakir Hussain. Passes to Vishal.
Passes to me.
Hmm.
Our sitar maestro Ravi Shankar.
It is Ravi Shankar. 10.
Oh, good one. My
Vishal.
music, man.
It is Ravi Shankar, My Music, My Life. Next direct is for Surbi. In Hindu mythology, what was the name of the capital city of Indra's celestial empire? Okay. In Hindu mythology, what was the name of the capital city of Indra's celestial empire? The reason it's asked is also because in recent, like last few years, this word has been in news because of a capital city reference. But I mean, don't really think on that. No, like it's
Should I just say whatever I know that has Indra in it? The word Indra.
Go for it.
Indra.
Name of
basically this is a mythical capital city of Indra, which is supposed to be great and awesome and all that.
Yeah.
What is the name of that capital city?
Hampi.
Passes to
Yeah, I
Rahul.
said Hampi.
I have no idea. I'm going with, is it Indraprasth?
Not Indraprasth. That's Mahabharata. Naveen.
this is my specialty.
Oh my God.
Isn't it? Indra Celestial. Okay, listen. I know about one mythological city. It's called the city of Atlantis, and I'm just going to throw that in there to make it look like I at least know about some mythological
Yeah,
shit.
I will give you 0.5.
Thank you. That's
I'll
fine.
go to Vishal now. Vishal, do you have a guess?
Andhra Pradesh capital Amravati.
It is Amravati. Amravati.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, Vishal.
Macha, it's not mythological, dude.
Yeah, no. So the reference is mythological, and then when Andhra and Telangana became two different states, they wanted to build. They're still working on it to build a new capital.
Still not a capital city.
Yeah, they're
Yes.
trying to build a new capital. Then whatever many political angles are there, but it's called Amravati. Okay, 10 points to Vishal. As we move on to the last few questions, this is Surbi's direct. This is a science question. In the periodic table, what name meaning salt producer is given to elements such as fluorine, chlorine, and bromine? Okay. So this is a chemistry question, a science question.
Saline.
Not saline. Passes to Rahul.
No, wait. I wanted one more try, but let's just pass.
Passes to Rahul. What name, which literally means salt producer, is given to elements such as fluorine, chlorine, and bromine? What are they referred to in the periodic table?
Saline. Maybe boring. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick 4. Tick tick 5. That's it.
Yeah.
So this is the name for these 3 elements.
No, the entire table.
Entire
Column. Entire column that has fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and the other 2 also.
iodine.
Yeah.
Chlorides.
Not chloride. Naveen.
Chemistry. Interesting fact. I've never been able to balance a chemical equation in my life.
Interesting.
So,
Giving 1 point to Naveen for being honest.
I might have been dyslexic. I've never done the test. So, anyway, I would say, I don't know, dude. I don't know. Pass.
Okay. Passes to Vishal.
Yeah. Is it alkali?
Not alkali. Not alkali. I will take
Wow.
one.
Vishal, bro.
One more round.
Alkali.
Not alkali.
Alkali is wife of Salim.
I will take one more round and
Alkali ka phone hai, ice cream khana zaruri hai. Sorry guys, I had to say that.
Now you're just trying to get points now.
I am giving 0.5 for 90th reference.
Good. Nice.
Okay. My hint, and this will be a 5-point question now. Starting with Surbi. My hint is think of bulbs and lamps. Okay, this is a word that you also use before lamp and bulb sometimes. Dash lamp, dash bulb, and then salt producer.
Oh,
Tell.
dash lamp. Is it lava lamp? I don't know. I'm thinking of all the lamps I have in my house. Salt. Huh?
Tisca LED.
Tisca LED. Okay, 1 point Vishal for brand reference.
Lamp and bulb.
Any more hints about bulb?
I know. I know.
See, already we have enough hints here, and I'm adding that this is a word that you might have used in life where it preceded like lamp or bulb.
Halogen.
No, this is Surbi's turn.
Oh.
Cute lamp.
Cute. Okay, I'm giving 1 point to Surbi for being cute. For this. So Rahul,
Guys, I really don't know.
your turn.
Shout, please get it.
I was actually going for halogens itself, but now Naveen has already said, so I can still take that guess or not?
Yeah, it's up to you. I mean, I haven't reacted to anything.
Halogens.
It is halogen. Halogen is correct.
Oh, come on. Can you share it with me or something?
You can't.
Can you share it?
Halogen. Hello plus
Rahul, be good and just share it, dude. But you're right, if you were thinking of that already.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Halogen means salt producer, and you can see chlorine, bromine, iodine, astenine, tennessine in the periodic table. Are known as
I can say the whole periodic table. Will you give me points for that?
No. We have halogen.
Then I am not revealing my talent. Fuck off.
Okay, Rahul gets 5, but Naveen gets the next direct question. How do we better know the 16th century Hindu mystic Vishwambara Mishra associated with a Vaishnava school of worship? Okay, so we are talking about a 16th century mystic. His original name was Vishwambara Mishra, but we usually all these like famous mystics change their name to something else, or people give them some other name. And he's also associated with a Vaishnava school of worship. It's important enough to be very important.
Like the other name is a nickname, kya? Like that you're Chotu or.
Yeah. We're trying to think of the nickname.
Yeah, but in their case, their nickname is basically some high funda spiritual name. So,
let me guess. Does it start with Shri? Shri Baba. Shri Baba.
I think
Shri Baba.
Yeah, Shri Baba Shri. That's what I'm going with. I don't know.
I'll go to Vishal.
me no.
You know.
I think he's the singer. Is it Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Chaitanya?
accurate as the.
Wow.
What the hell, dude?
He has
इसमें answer भी करें.
Vishal got 10 points.
Nice.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is correct. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, probably the most prominent name in Indian Bhakti movement from 16th-17th century. Next question, direct to Surbhi. Okay, this is a brand plus etymology question, like a brand and how the brand got its name. Which automobile company was founded by August Horch and named after the German word for here? Okay.
Is it?
Automobile company founded by this person and German word for here. So think of here. Here is the biggest clue. And then think of automobile company and think of German. So there are automobile company from Germany and here. These are your three clues.
Oh my God. Is it not? It's not this one. Is it Audi?
It is Audi, of course.
Beautiful
Yeah.
guess.
Oh thank God! Oh thank God! Oh thank God!
10
Thank
points.
God!
Audi, here,
Well
here,
played, Surbhi.
and then
Thank
automobile.
you.
10 points to Surbhi.
Audible.
Okay.
Oh, audible.
Oh,
Audible.
audible. Nice.
Bro, nice.
Okay, Surbhi got Audi, which means next direct will be for Rahul. Rahul, your direct. Which building serves as the
Pentagon.
Wow, that was fast.
Oh.
It is Pentagon. 10 points to Rahul. For those who couldn't register, I asked the headquarters of the US Department of Defense, which was one of the like 9/11 attack.
Wow, that was too fast. I feel like Random Chicky Bomb collaboration is influencing the quiz answers. Just throwing in that.
Conspiracy theories have already begun.
I wish I could hire the Pentagon CIA to inquire into this, but alas. Anyway.
Okay, Naveen, your direct question. Painted Lady, Red Admiral, and Monarch are all species of which kind of flying creatures?
Oh.
Planes, I think the fighter
This is
planes.
Naveen's territory. Yeah? Naveen knows so much about
Yeah,
birds,
Naveen
right?
knows a lot about this. Lucky to get this a direct question. Painted Lady, Red Admiral, and Monarch are some of the species, like names of species of which kind of flying creatures?
Are these living or non-living things?
They're living thing. Yeah.
Oh, it's a living thing, is it?
Biology question. Yeah. Like literally
What?
flying creatures, like not aeroplanes or fighter pilots, something like that. It
I
is-
mean, other than birds, what else can fly? So, what am I supposed to say? Birds?
no. Okay, I'll pass to Vishal.
Wait. I was asking. Hold on. I'm asking.
Okay.
What kind of flying creatures?
But-
Painted lady.
Yeah.
Red Admiral, Monarch. Oh, they're butterflies.
Of course, they are butterflies.
Butterflies.
Wow.
Yeah. Monarch. I know
How
the
did you
monarch.
deduce? How did you deduce? I'm very curious.
Well, if there wasn't birds, and then I was
Uh-huh.
thinking insects, and I'm like grasshoppers, but grasshoppers hop, as they can tell
Okay.
from the name. Then I was like monarch. I've heard that monarch butterfly. That's how I
Okay.
figured it out.
Fair. Butterflies.
Okay.
Naveen gets 10 points.
Okay.
Nice.
Fair.
Last question of the quiz. That will be Vishal's question. Another etymology question, but one of my favorite questions from the group because it's very, very deducible. Okay. Which term, often used in publishing, was coined by chemist Henry Wellcome in 1880s to describe a small new tablet he had invented? Okay. What word are we talking about? This is Vishal's direct. And this is the last question of the quiz because
Is it column?
not column goes to Surbhi.
Is it tabloid?
Yes, it is. Beautiful answer. Tablet, small tablet is called a tabloid. And then used in, wow, what a great answer.
I was thinking Croson. I'm like,
Yeah, this is this is tabloid. 10 points to Surbhi. So Naveen played really well, got some really nice answers and ends up at 27.
Nice.
Okay, Rahul
Thank you very
Sharma got
much.
all of the small 1.5 points, but he still got 3 10-pointers. No, and a couple of 5-pointers also. So he is on 51.5.
Oh,
Nice.
hello. That's a lot. Nice.
Surbhi got some beautiful answers like tabloid and Audi, and she ends up at 32.
Nice.
And the winner of the quiz is Vishal.
With 295 points.
Vishal
Really?
got 66 points.
Good.
Vishal qualified for the semi-final and Rahul Subramaniam also qualifies as the second guy. Semi-final lineup will have Biswa, Joshi, Rahul, and there'll be one more person who will join them. And there'll be Anirban Dasgupta, Saurav Mehta, Vishal Dayama, and one more person. So that brings us to the end. We had some beautiful answers. I loved almost.
Thank you, KV, buddy.
Some beautiful quizzing by KV.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thanks, KV. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Well
so
played,
much.
Naveen. Well played, Surbi. Congratulations.
Congratulations, everybody. Well,
Okay, thank you guys.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.